Rangba Conrad ki sangma mentakasngi ula ajingkran haka workshop halor kapang developing state response for EI Nino preparedness strengthening food and water security. Habapan pau ya kajingdan kam kerke ya kajingi tre kam lang ki kam ki badan kam banle namar kajinglong bamtikana jong kasun beneng nang ni shakman. Habapan pau ya kajingkya ka kam ha kajinglong jingman baminta umentri rangba uliat ho baka Meghalaya kalasaki ya kajingduna kajing aslap kabalong palat prapho pesan ha bnai Jylliew. Ulama ham bakat ba kijing batai antat kila bnai kijing kermen kijing penkre ki dei ban yailong ki kam ki bah khmat e. Ula kintu ya ki officer bakin wanra ya ki lentri trekam ki bala ban penkala bat bala ban pentrekam ki bayalam da kijing khen jingdia bat ki e ki baja hajala. Ula keren ru halor ke jingkin tiu ya ka kamrap klam kle dawai haba pen pau ba ke jing persang ke jela kala yo ya ke jing ithu hapo kari kinthop ke jing yo jing ro na du mentri rangba du kari. Ula banjur ru ya ke jing dan kamban wanra lang haju ya ki putre kam ba pher kinthop ya ke jing tengkai pin im ya ki shin yar bat ban shna ya ki jing te ki ban pen lang ya ko kum ki check dam bat reserve yo. Kini ka workshop kalawan ra lang shi jaka ya ki he officer ki deputy commissioner ki start karap karyang bat ki kinhon badan benta banyakran ki buit trekam ha ka ban pen klan ya ki jing pen kre ka jela persha ya ka el nino bat ban pen tikana ya ka jing shngan ha ka jing dan ka bam bat ka
that we have experienced 81%, 82% deficiency in rain in the month of June. And of course, we have different predictions that keep coming from IMD, which do give us some hope. But then these are only predictions. And the point is that the reality is quite different as of now. And we really don't know what we're heading for in the future. Of course, by saying that, I don't mean to put up a very grim picture. But what I'm trying to say is we must be prepared. And therefore, this is the platform, this is the team that is going to ensure that we are placed better than what we would have been if we don't or if we hadn't taken the steps. So please remember that this is not a very small or just a small workshop or just a regular program. As correctly mentioned by Mr. Vijay Kumar, it's an existential crisis we're facing. But again, correctly mentioned, in order to minimize the impact of what could possibly happen, there are a lot of things we can still do. That is the good news. And as correctly mentioned by Mr. Vijay Kumar, is that it's not about just this year. It's here to stay. Not the El Nino, but global warming. But El Nino will come back. And the impacts of this year's El Nino is something that nobody can even start to imagine. We just don't know. We can look at the past, see the records, and maybe have some kind of predictions, but really we have no clue. And therefore, every step that is going to be taken, please don't look at it saying that, well, it wasn't that bad. Why are we so concerned and worried? I think not accepting the reality is maybe the worst thing we can do in situations like these. So today maybe some weather forecast will come and say, no, Meghalaya is going to have regular rain. Please, let's not live in delusion. Let's not live with high expectations. Let's not live with the fact and hope that we look away and everything is going to disappear. Well, sadly, it's not going to disappear. And what we are doing today is for the generations to come. every single action and step we take today is going to impact in the next decade and maybe even centuries. So that's what we are working at, and it's going to be a long journey.